Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesday, our open playlist hosted by the ladies of Elegance. That is myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So today I'm styling a beautiful fall tablescape in shades of orange and white, as you saw from the preview. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items I've used. All I have to say is yes, honey, she did that. For this gorgeous tablescape, I've started off with a thrifted runner in brown shimmery fabric with the orange leaves on it. I then came in with some burlap placemats, white dishes, and orange saucers. On top of those, I have white napkins with some DIY napkin rings. For my centerpiece, I've used some leaf garland from the Dollar Tree. Then I came in with my apothecary jar filled with mini pumpkins and my DIY candle rings I placed on the top and bottom. Lastly, I came in with some burlap pumpkins that I already had on hand, thrifted coasters and glassware, and a few other accessories to complete the look. And I am so happy with it. And I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. So until next time.